Texas Tech University is home of the Rawls College of Business, one of the top business schools in the nation. Texas Tech is a school built on tradition. Before every home game, the Saddle Tramps will wrap the Will Rogers statue. And you better make sure not to step on the grass in Memorial Circle. We are a university committed to learning. Tech has some of the best learning facilities in the nation. We welcome students from all over the state, nation, and world. Regardless of your background, race, beliefs, or gender, Tech has a place for you. In addition to great learning facilities, the Rec Center offers top-notch workout facilities, an indoor running track, and fun intramural sports. While Texas Tech sports are very well known, we are also home to many national championship winning teams, such as the Wool Judging Team, Meats Judging Team, and Livestock Judging Team. So, no matter who you are, where you're from, what you believe in,
we are Texas Tech!
We are all Texas Tech.
Tech students are great. They're learning every day. That's a way to say. That's a way to say. Students friendly safe. We visit them and stay. At least a way to say. That's a way to say. So I keep checking. Can't stop, won't stop wrecking. It's like I've got this school pride in my mind, saying Tech is diversified. Quidditch players gonna play. Feel the champion's gonna nay. I'm just gonna wreck em Tech. Now Spiders gonna ride. Rawls will preside, side. I'm just gonna wreck em Tech. Never wrecking on our own. Put our guns up as we go, and that's what Raiders know. That's what Raiders know. Quidditch players gonna play. Players champions gonna nay. I'm just gonna wreck em Tech. Mass Riders gonna ride. Rawls will preside, side. I'm just gonna wreck em Tech.